This is Carl with MachLabs. I'm excited to introduce to you today Mach Pro. Mach Motion acquired ArtSoft, and together we are building on the legacy of Mach 3 and Mach 4. With Mach Motion, we've had experience with thousands of machines face to face, setting them up, hearing feedback. We've experienced a lot of what we love and the power and the simplicity of the legacy that we have, and have put all of this together, united with ArtSoft, into Mach Pro. Here it is. Right now, I'll just open it up on my computer. It pops up and asks you to go ahead and home the machine. I'm going to go ahead and cycle start to home. But as you can just initially see, look at the modern simplicity of this screen. This is made for the professional, for the maker, who wants a modern, easy to use control anywhere here. I'm going to go to my fixtures. If I'm going to do probing, I'm going to say diagnostics and check my I/O, or just set up a tool setter. Everything is right there within 2 clicks. I can do a tool change that easily and have this all set up to work on a grinding rack with no code. It's just settings. And that leads into the second main thing, is everything's pre-configured. As you can see, when I installed Mill, all of this came pre-set up just like this. It's already defined an auto tool setter for me. It already has my go-to positions pre-configured in there of what you're normally going to see for a mill. It has your gear shift stuff. If you have different gear shifts on like a knee mill or something, all of it's pre-configured, and it's built into, if I just go to configure, control, it's set up to where you can easily change settings. So if I want to modify my lube time, right now it's going to turn on for 15 seconds. I could just change that to 8 and then save, and it's that simple. My new settings are saved on this control. But in addition to all of that, Mach Pro gives you amazing freedom to be able to customize it the way that you want. Let's say you don't want these buttons up here. I don't want my part 0 button so easy to press there. I can just remove that. And you know what? I actually want a mist button there. So I'm going to just add a mist toggle button just like that. It's that simple. Or let me go ahead and modify this one here in the dashboard. I want to change my spindle brake because I actually don't have a spindle brake on this machine. I want to just wire up a general output. So I'm going to just type in output, and one of these is a toggle right here. And I'm going to make this a light on my machine. I'm going to go ahead and enable that. It's just light. And all of these functions are integrated into the back end of the software. As I add that button, it's the same I/O everywhere. So look at this. As I go and toggle this output, this light, it toggles this output right here on my actual machine. That is the simplicity and the power of Mach Pro. I'm going to go finish out here today. As always, we have the live Toolpath, load in a part, hit cycle start, and go ahead and simulate running this file. But this is the simplicity and the power and the years of all of your feedback, all of working together through Mach 3 and Mach 4. And we are so excited to let you guys experience the new generation of CNC software. Enjoy.